Me say, tear me last word. And ne enochna me kasu. Yesi and ne exactly a weeka. Ken Agyapong. Yebeto abamano. Me for be anka Ken will win. Ken will win. I said Ken will win. I saw it. I saw it. Global prophet outspoken. Ken will win. So go and vote for Ken. He will win. He will be the flag bearer of New Patriotic Party. Ken Ohene Agyapong will win. Ken Ohene Agyapong will win. I repeat my words. I said Ken Ohene Agyapong will win. I'm not afraid of what I'm saying. I've seen it. It has not changed. It has not changed. It has not changed. He is coming to help the youth. The youth will get more jobs to do if he wants. I'm telling you. He's going to raise the youth to the highest level. Ken Agyapong is going to raise the youth. The baby be youth. Tini the be cho boy youth no normal so just yay. The baby youth. Senior. Or man penny or takunya so starting say or appointing youth in the my adwuma no. And no man go faster. The same thing is going to happen to his time. And son of presidential in the draw. Ne ya no so ya kan de Onyankopon e de ne beba. God bless you. My name remain the same. Bishop Dr. Kwaku Opoku Sapon. God bless you.